Morning, tubers. About a month ago when I came back from the Keys, I decided to repower my center console. So here's the outcome. I went from a 2-stroke 70 Johnson carbureted critter to a 4-stroke Yamaha 4-cylinder. Decided to get the motor off the transom, so I put on a stationary bracket which took it up 4 inches and away from the transom 4 inches. Had some custom transom mounts made for it. Covered everything up in the tubing from knives and sun and so forth. Went up, had all new analog gauges put in, tach speed, fuel, and hour meter, new side mounted console, and to finish it off, went to Dave at Precision Tackle in Spring Hill and got a heavy duty Calcutta 125 quart cooler. The motor I had installed by a friend of mine, Dennis Russell, at Gulf Coast Marina. And little Mark, the mechanic and installer, did all of this special installation for me. So I'm going to take it down to the ramp here at Bayport this morning and take a ride up to Homosassa Springs, about 20 miles north of here, up the Gulf. I left Bayport. Here I am at the mouth of the Homosassa River. Monkey Island. I'm in Homosassa Springs on the river. This is right at the headwaters of the Homosassa at the spring. Spring is back up through those bars and gate up there across that bridge. This is actually the Homosassa Springs State Park right here. Came in here looking for manatees. So far, none of them around.
back at the mouth of the Homosassa River. It dumps into Homosassa Bay out here in front of me.